Our Osprey's got food in his foot. He's been hollering at somebody. One of his siblings trying to come in on him, I think. Just talking about it. Got him a fish. He doesn't want to be bothered. I got breakfast down here by the Boeing Aerospace pond. I got a good fish. And I want to enjoy it. I don't want to share it with my siblings. I hear the other one calling. Oh, way up high. He's seeing him. Got two of them up high, and this one's got the fish, so he's talking back. No, I'm not sharing this with anybody. Oh yeah, they're just making a racket. They're circling way up high above him now. Well, as if he stands his ground here with his fish, he stays on the perch, he's probably going to be able to enjoy it. But they're probably his siblings, so. And then nest is only like 2 blocks away. It's in a cell phone tower right across from Starbucks. Oh yeah, they've been nesting there for several years. And then they come over here to the Boeing Aerospace pond and catch fish. Once they've fledged and learned how to hunt, and here they are. Had success here. Oh yeah, having a good snack. Alright, they're getting higher up. Now they're going to let him eat in peace, I think. Or her, whichever the case is. Yep, still making a few calls. Yep, pretty good lighting this morning. Still talking. That must be getting full. There's a good chunk of fish left there. He's got quite a bit to go. Yeah, the other ones, they've sailed away now. They soared away. Let's see how this guy does here with the rest of his meal. All right then.